Welcome guys, so today I am with the AirPods Pro 2nd generation and I'm going to show you how you can pair them with your iPad. Okay, so first of all, we have to remember to charge them at least to the 30%. At the bottom you can find input for the lightning cable. Right now, just put both earbuds to the case, open it, and then click and hold this button on the back. It appears just right here, until this indicator on the front starts blinking white. So let's make it right now. Click and hold it, take a look on the indicator, and as you can see there is blinking, so we can release the back button. Leave these buds in the case and do not close this cover. You have to put them close to your iPad. Then you have to go for the settings. You have to open the Bluetooth, tap on the switcher, and right now when the AirPods appears on the other devices, you have to select them by tapping once. And as you can see, after a few seconds, we are successfully connected. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.